Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best sliding door is probably one of the most transformative additions you can make to your home, especially when it comes to maximizing space and enhancing aesthetics. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sliding doors, exploring various designs, materials, and features to help you find the perfect fit for your closet. Whether you're renovating, building new, or simply looking to upgrade, this video is your ultimate guide. Number 5. AJAZZ Blackout Accordion Door Curtain 98x78. This innovative curtain offers complete light blockage, ensuring your privacy. It's perfect for any room, providing both style and functionality. Made with high-density materials, it effectively blocks out light. This feature provides the best protection for your private space, keeping your room cool in summer and warm in winter. The accordion folding design is both beautiful and space-saving. It's suitable for various openings and adds a modern touch to any home decor. Use it in bedrooms, living rooms, or even home offices. It serves as a blackout curtain, door curtain, or room divider, adapting to your needs. With a width of 98 inches, it fits openings from 61 to 78 inches wide. It also comes in different lengths to meet your specific requirements. The high-quality fabric is durable and easy to clean. This ensures long-term use and maintains its beauty and functionality with minimal effort. What we like? This curtain offers complete blackout, perfect for creating a private space. Its accordion design saves space and adds a modern touch. If you are looking for a room divider or a closet door curtain that provides both functionality and style, you should consider this. What people say? The doors are very easy to install. The doors look great and are very sturdy. The doors slide very smoothly. Number 4. AJAZZ Blackout Sliding Door Curtain. This curtain is made from high-quality, durable polyester with a triple-layer fabric. It ensures a peaceful environment, perfect for work or relaxation. It will help you to block out the light. The accordion-style design allows it to be folded away when not in use, saving space. It maintains a neat and coordinated look in your home. The design is hidden, so it won't affect the interior aesthetics. It features a magnetic clasp system for easy folding and secure closure. This simple mechanism allows quick access while keeping out mosquitoes and kitchen odors. It is very convenient to use. Primarily designed for bedrooms and living rooms, it also works as a door curtain. You can use it for wardrobe doors or as a partition in home offices. It provides privacy while enhancing your home style. The curtain set includes all necessary hanging fixtures and accessories. No professional installation is needed, even DIY beginners can manage it. The fabric is machine or hand washable, keeping it clean. What we like? This curtain uses a magnetic closure for easy access and keeps out unwanted elements. It's designed to be easily installed, even for DIY beginners. If you are looking for a convenient and stylish solution for your doorway or closet, you should consider it. What people say? The doors are very sturdy and the hardware is of good quality. The doors are easy to install. The doors look great and function well. Number 3. Milcasa Magic 2, 1800, Concealed Sliding System. This innovative system from Milcasa makes your wooden door appear to float. The hardware is completely concealed, offering a sleek and modern look. The included template simplifies the routing process. By using it, you can enhance efficiency and precision when milling your door. This system is designed for wooden doors. The door slab can be any wooden door, as long as it meets the weight and size requirements. The door slab should be at least 3 inches taller than the opening, and 8 to 12 inches wider for full opening. The distance from the wall can be adjusted. The hardware is reversible, making it suitable for both left and right-handed doors. A special track is available for soft floors. This product is made in Italy. It offers a high-quality and stylish solution for your sliding door needs. What we like? This system features completely concealed hardware for a sleek, modern look. The hardware is hidden behind the door and the wall, which essentially makes the door look like it floats. If you are looking for a minimalist aesthetic and a unique door design, you should consider this. What people say? The Milcasa Magic 2 is a high-quality sliding door system that feels very solid and smooth. Installation was straightforward thanks to the included template, and the door glides quietly with no bumps or noise. The hardware looks sleek and completely hidden once installed, giving a clean modern look. Number 2. SARTODOORS Quadro 4113 Sliding Closet Door. This set includes everything you need: 2 door slabs, tracks, hangers, pulls, and more. It's a complete solution for your closet. You'll have everything you need for a smooth installation. These sliding bypass doors offer easy access to your closet space. They roll smoothly from side to side. It's a convenient and space-saving design. The door is made of solid pine wood and covered by eco-veneer. It's pre-finished, durable, and easy to clean. This door is designed for quality and longevity. The door can be trimmed to fit your specific opening. You can also request different hardware sizes. It offers flexibility for various closet dimensions. Every part of the door can be customized to your liking. A variety of sizes and finishes are available. Hardware can be delivered separately to meet your needs. What we like. This door features a sliding bypass design for full closet access. The frosted glass adds a touch of elegance. If you like a modern style with included hardware, you should consider this. What people say. The doors are very sturdy and the hardware is of good quality. The doors are easy to install and operate smoothly. The design is modern and sleek. Number 1. SARTODOORS Quadro 4111 White Ash Sliding Closet Doors. This set includes 2 white doors, tracks, hangers, pulls, and stops. It comes with all the necessary hardware for a sliding bypass system. You'll need to drill a groove for the floor guide. These sliding bypass doors are perfect for any closet. They roll smoothly from side to side, giving you full access to your space. The pre-finished doors save you time and effort. The door is made of solid MDF and covered with eco-veneer. It's pre-finished, eco-friendly, and offers high durability. The surface is scratch and stain resistant. You can trim the door up to 3/4 inch on the top, bottom, and sides. This allows for a customized fit in your space. Every part of the door can be customized to your liking. There are many sizes and finishes available. The hardware can be shipped separately. What we like. This door offers a sliding bypass design for easy access to your closet. It is pre-finished, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a convenient and customizable closet door, you should consider this. What people say. The doors are very sturdy and the hardware is of good quality. The doors look great and were easy to install. The doors slide very smoothly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.